Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one. And q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we have y in here. This one we have y squared in here. First the derivative of 1 over y, we have negative 2s over y squared. The next one, that is about 2y over s to the power of 4. Next, we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only s squared and s to the power of 3. First, the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. This one we can put like this. That is about negative number 3 multiplied by 2y over s to the power of 4. After we do first the derivative of 1 over s to the power of 3. And we can see that this one and this one, they are same. So that is about exact. So we need to put about fsy equals to the integration. So I select about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of 2s, we have s squared. So the integration of 1 over s to the power of number 4. This one we can put like this. And we can put like this. Because this is about the s, so we just concentrate about s to the power of negative number 4. This one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. Now we simplify negative number 3, negative number 3. And we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. And we have like this. This one we have negative s squared over y squared. This one, that is about 2y. And we know that this one in here equals to this one. And now we simplify for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. This one we put about y to the power of negative 1 over 2 dy. The square root, that is about 1 over 2. If we put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative sign. And now we have like this. So So we simplified, and this one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. Now we need to return back to this one. We know that the integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. And fsy equals to c. And now we simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.